Is this all that's been coming out today so far?
Yeah.
How much came out last night?
Not a whole lot. Some.
Okay. So you went home, you came back with us. This tube we put in your nose is sucking a lot of fluid, like almost 4 liters. That's a lot. Usually anything more than 500 is quite a bit. This is a lot. So clearly with that much coming out, we can't take it out and let you start eating and drinking. This is just a temporary state after surgery. It's going to resolve.
Like an Ileus?
Yeah, exactly. This will get better. It just takes time.
So the concern right now is that maybe it's the peristalsis of the small intestine is not kicking in. I didn't know if it could have anything to do with either coming out of the stomach, that maybe the duodenum, is that where it comes out of the stomach into the small intestine? I'm trying to discern, both thinking it through, but also the feelings that I'm getting. Where I think my stomach lays, just under this notch right here, is where I get a little bit of tenderness. Stomach's down here. Okay. I'm trying to figure out where I'm feeling any sensitivity, where I would have called it nausea, where I used to have what I would call acid reflux kind of feeling, and just thinking through where the disconnect is in the system. Is it something stomach related or what?
Yeah, I think it's a fair question. In general, your small bowel, and your small bowel is basically everything between your stomach and your ostomy. Your small bowel tends to function as a unit. It's not like 10 different units and there's a problem with one step in the factory line. We think of it as just one block. And right now that block is not working. It's not pushing things forward the way that it should. And the sensations you're having are refluxes in my stomach, is the part just after my stomach. I can't translate that into necessarily changing the plan for your care. We're going to be very simplistic about this. We're going to continue what we're doing today, which is the NG tube, the IV fluids, the fluid replacement, the monitoring you. We're going to continue all that stuff until we see that your valves are working. And we'll know that your valves are working when the amount that comes out from your tube becomes less, the amount that comes out from your stoma becomes more. That's it.
Did we get the results from the x-ray to see if the tube's in the right spot?
Yeah, it's in the right spot.
Okay.
So this is a patient like you with an Ileus. It's very easy for us because we just come in every day and say, hey, things are working or not working today. See you tomorrow. That's easy for us. For you guys, it's torture because, like, is it going to get better tomorrow? Is it going to get better the day after? When am I going to eat again? I know it's tough, but the only thing that we can do is just sit tight.
Is there anything I should be doing other than maybe trying to walk or anything like that?
Work hard to maintain your sanity. Okay? That's all. Just be patient with this. All right?
Okay. I'm going to go take a shower in a minute. That'll help.
Fine. And then you can take ice chips if you want to, just for keeping your mouth and your throat moist. I wouldn't take too much though, because the more you drink, the more it stimulates your stomach to secrete more, and then that'll make more come out your NG tube, and then it sort of muddies the picture for us a little bit. So take ice just as you need to keep your mouth.
So my stomach is secreting juices, and that's mostly what's being sucked up here.
Some. Yeah.
So how does what is coming through the line if I haven't been eating anything else?
Some stuff still goes downstream. Yeah, your liver secretes about 600-700 cc's of bile every day. Okay, so if you're not eating or drinking, there will still be stuff that comes out from there.
Wow, so I should be getting 600 to 700 liters just as is?
A little bit less, 300-400.
300 or 400.
Even if you're not eating.
Okay. And would I be getting any more than that, depending? I'm just trying to think, what kind of numeric levels are we going for?
Well, more than that. I mean, I'd like to see 300 or 400 cc's start coming out, and then we'll pull your tube.
Okay, when you say coming out of my stoma?
Yeah.
Okay, how, daily or per?
In a 24-hour period.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Cool. Thank you.
All right. I hope you feel better soon.
Appreciate it.